This Nitro engine was never meant to generate electricity, but I tried anyway. Step 1 was simple. Build a test rig and see if this thing can even survive a steady RPM. We need to figure out what kind of RPM range this thing runs at. But come on guys, 10,000 RPM at idle, that's insane. If my car ever did that, the pistons would probably get launched into space. Okay, so a steady speed we can run the engine at is about 16,000 RPM. So the simple concept here is, the faster we spin the motor, the more electricity it's going to make. With all of that being said, the engine and generator are useless by themselves. So I used Fusion 360 to design the base for all the components to sit on. I got everything printed on my 3D printer, but as I was assembling everything, it just started falling apart, so clearly it wasn't strong enough. I thought about using different filaments and trying to beef up the design, but then we also have the issue of the heat generated from the Nitro engine, and eventually it would just melt the base. But that's why today's video is sponsored by JLCPCB. JLC provides a wide range of services, from custom PCB manufacturing to 3D printing, CNC machining, and even supplying a huge range of mechanical components. And the best part is how accessible everything is. JLC makes the impossible possible for people like us. I've used them for a few of my projects now, and they've never let me down. Obviously not everyone has a CNC machine in their garage, and not many people own a 3D printer. So they are perfect for instances where you just can't buy what you need, but they're affordable and reliable, so you can put your trust in them to get it right the first time round. Ordering is quick and simple. You just upload your file directly to the website for an instant quote. Turnarounds are as quick as 24 hours, and with full in-house production, quality can be guaranteed and assessed before shipping to you. 1 to 8 layer PCBs start from just $2. Don't miss JLCPCB's 6 layer PCB special. Get $30 off with a coupon and enjoy top quality 6 layer PCBs, plus Enig finishes and no engineering fees for via InPad. Links in the description. The build was simple. Secure everything with M3 screws and locking nuts so that nothing comes loose from the vibrations. This pulley and belt system is geared to a 2:1 ratio, meaning the generator will spin twice as fast as the engine. Mechanically it's all working well, so let's move on to the electronics. We're almost done with the build, just a few vital components left, but first let's build a support for the exhaust. Alright, so we're ready for the first proper test. I really hope it all works. No way guys, it's actually working. There is just one small problem, but don't worry, we'll get it fixed. I made a small calculation error when buying the pulleys, so we just need to change one of the pulleys to make the generator spin faster and stabilize the voltage. Right guys, so for the first test, can it charge a phone? And yes it can, no issues with that whatsoever. It hardly even put any load onto the engine. This thing can easily charge and fast charge any USB devices you throw at it. But let's try something more power demanding. So say you get a flat tire on your bicycle or scooter, this thing will save you the agony of pumping up your tires either by hand or by foot. so we know it could charge phones, pump up tires, and power electrical devices. But while I was recording, I had a crazy idea. I remembered that my scooter can charge and drive at the same time, so that got me thinking, why don't we create a hybrid scooter? The nitro generator will charge the battery and increase the range, just like in a hybrid car. As our last ultimate test, we're going to power not one but two LED light panels and a rotary cutting tool. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing. See you in the next, and thank you for watching.